I strongly believe that Harry.
So the story, okay, the time now is 30 minutes past 8. Today is Friday, 24th of October. So last week, as I mentioned just now, last week, we always start our Friday class with Surat Al-Kahf. And last week, we went through the story of the young men in the cave who were running from their ruler, from the king. And also another story is about Prophet Moses. And we also listened and we sang along the song by Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey, When You Believe. So as I mentioned earlier, we also started our class with Shahadah to strengthen our Iman and our Akidah. And in my class, other than you aim for an A in LCC 111, also aim an A in your Akidah. What else? What are the other two A's? A in LCC 111, A in Akidah, two more A's that you should be striving for. Come on.
SMG 103.
A in attendance, A in adab, and A in akhlak.
Salah.
So in that song, When You Believe, you see even non-Muslims have faith. And then when you believe in yourself and you believe and you have faith in Allah, you can achieve and you can, miracles happen. So that's why we sang to this song again this week. I want you to put down in your notebook, have faith in Allah. Okay, this is your first semester in UiTM Seremban and it's already week 3. As you go along, perhaps some of you are facing challenges, okay, and you in a few weeks time you start having your assessment, tests and challenges in terms of the classes, right? Classes are in English, you are learning new stuff. Some of these subjects might make, you are excited to learn new things, like anatomy, but I'm sure there are also challenges and some of you might begin to miss your parents, So these are the challenges faced by university students. And also last week, I asked you to share the challenges that you face in your life. So today, I'm going through your essay, the one that you uploaded on YouFuture, and then I'm going to comment. Okay, I'm going to give my feedback and my comment, so please take note. Okay, narrative writing, we also did narrative writing last week. In case you so do we have Anik Shaiman in the class? Do we have Anik now? Anik, are you in the class? Okay, if Anik is not in the class, then I will choose someone else. I will choose those who are in the class. Wafiq, are you in the class? Wafi, are you in the class? Adi Nur Alif? Wan Amirul Mustaqim? Nur Diana Adawiyah? If you don't respond, I don't go through I don't comment.
I'm here, madam.
Dania.
Yes.
Okay. So, Dania, this is your essay. A story, challenges you face in your life.
This is not my essay, madam.
Hmm?
This is not my essay.
Nur Dania Adawiyah.
Yes.
Overcoming challenges in my life? Or this one? When I first came to the college.
Yes.
Okay. When I first came to the college, someone wants to join the call. Why can't you just join using your ITM? Ani? And then another thing is, can you please write your name? Okay, this is yours, right, Dania? When I first came to the college, comma, do you notice, Dania? Between the comma, there is a spacing.
Yes.
No spacing. No spacing. La ilaha illallah. 1, 2, 3. Sakit mata I tengok. Oh, before comma, before full stop, no space. Try reading. When you read a magazine, you have Reader's Digest magazine with you, right?
Yes.
When you read, mana ada space before comma or full stop? Okay, let's read. When Dania, please read.
Madam, gambar tak keluar.
Ni keluar dekat I punya ni. Dekat your phone tak keluar eh?
Tak.
The rest, can you see?
Yes.
Oh, ini lain. Dia keluar lain. Okay, now is the correct one, right?
Yes.
Now can you read?
When I first came to college, I was so excited to live on my own. No parents, no rules, just freedom. But it didn't take long for me to realize that being independent isn't as easy as it sounds. At home, my parents always reminded me to wake up, eat, and finish my work. In college, no one did that. I had to manage everything by myself, and honestly, I struggled at first. I skipped breakfast and got overwhelmed trying to keep up with classes and courses. Some nights I just lay in bed, feeling homesick and tired. After a while, I knew I had to change. I started setting alarms, writing to-do lists, and buying simple meals instead of eating instant noodles every day. It wasn't perfect, but I slowly got the hang of it. I learned how to manage my time, save money, and take care of myself. Now I feel proud of how far I've come. University taught me more than what's in the classroom. It taught me how to stand on my own. Being independent isn't always fun or easy, but it's helped me grow up and understand who I really am.
Okay. Number 1, challenges here. Challenges. You look at the spelling of the word challenges. And then, can you see?
Yes.
And then this, yeah. This, the punctuation, punctuation. Number 1. And then spelling, challenges. And then at home, my parents reminded. It's in terms of your flow, your content, in terms of your flow and content is really good. because the introduction and then you reflect back home, and then after a while, home, and then after a while. So there is a sequence, and then also now. This is very good. So in terms of the flow or the coherence, very good. And how you feel about that, and the challenge, the changes that you make, to overcome the challenges, and very good conclusion. Okay, but you have to watch your spelling, your punctuation, this one, yeah. And
Okay.
then the rest, okay. Okay, good.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, next. Whose is this just now? Anik. Anik, are you in the class?
Yes, madam.
Why are you late?
Because I don't know how to join the class, madam.
Uh, but this is already week 3. How do you figure out how to join the class?
I'm Paris.
Is this your
Yes.
essay? Anik, is this your essay?
Yes.
Okay, now read.
Wait, madam.
Uh, you don't know how can you read it?
Yes. So, challenges I face in my life. I love my life so much, but sometimes I wonder why every person have their own challenges they face in life. Same goes to me. Even I'm happy with my life, there are a lot of challenges I am still facing in my life. When I was 7 years old, I saw my mother selling foods at someone's stall. I was happy at first, but when the owner came to my mother and raised his voice, it became tragedy in my life. After me and my mom packed up our things, I asked my mom, why us mom? And my mom said, it's okay, we try again. Then we came back home like nothing happened. Other than that, when I was 14 years old, I faced an academic problem. My performance in exam became dropped because I was focused on my sport. After that time, I went to my favorite teacher's room to get some advice. She said to me, you must rearrange your timetable between your sport and academic. After I used her advice, I got my performance in academic back. Last but not least, when I was 17 years old, I got my best everything I have ever got. I got 5 A's in my SPM, but after I took my SPM's file, me and my friends went to Malacca to celebrate our results. We enjoyed the trip so much. After we finished, we came back home. On the way back, I have had an accident. It became a tragic memory that cannot erase from my mind. But without the incident, I never know who is my true friend. The conclusion is I would never be who am I now. It is because every tragedy in my life it gave me a lesson to be a better person. So that even I face a lot of challenges, I never run and hide from the challenges.
Doctor, mic off.
Astagfirullah. What food did your mother sell at someone's stall?
She sell nasi lemak, mi curry.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so your mom must be very good in cooking, yeah? So you start,
Yes.
mashallah, you started with when, very good. And then you also have another connective word after, okay? And then your mom is also a patient person. It's okay, we try again.
Yes.
Then you came back, very good. Then also you have another connective word here. Other than that, last but not least, and also you have a good conclusion here. So that's really good. So, okay. And when you were 7, you got, and then here, my performance in exam. So you can say my academic performance drop, not became drop here. Pay attention here, became drop, change to drop. Because I was focused on sports. What kind of sports, Anik?
Athletics.
Okay. And then I went to get some advice. All right. You must rearrange. Okay. You must work on your timetable. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good. And then last but not least, I got my best thing, 5 A's. Okay. After I took my SPM result, my friends and I. Yeah. My friends and I. Take note, yeah. Okay. I also put my comment. Yeah, okay. And then I had I had an accident, tragic. What do you mean? But you never know who was your true friend. Your friend left you, ah?
Some of my friend.
Okay, very good. Now let's look at the next one. Whose is this? Whose is this? This document. Story challenge you face in your life. Whose is this? No, the person is not here. Amirul. Putra, are you here? Putra? Ya Allah. Aisyah, Nur Aisyah Dania. Fika. Nur Sharina. Faris,
Yes,
I know Faris
Doctor.
is here. Okay, Nur Sharina. Yep. I'm going to comment on Nur Sharina. Too late, Aisyah. I opened Nur Sharina's already. Next time, please pay attention. Mana dia? Is this one? This one, right? Is it correct, Sharina?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. Please read. I will comment on the reply.
It was a Sunday morning, 28 September 2025, when I faced one of the most unexpected moments in my life. I had just started university.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Ini just now. Okay. I just started university.
Madam. I had just started university at UiTM Seremban 3 and everything felt overwhelming. I was away from home, meet new people, need to adjust my own schedule, and trying to stay strong because I don't want my family to worry about me. After that, on my second day on campus, I began a week-long orientation before regular classes started. It was still disbelieving that I had made it this far. But mentally, I was struggling to keep up with the new environment and expectation. I was still disbelieving that I had made it this far. I had madam, saya teranu 2 kali. Sorry madam. I had to flee from my negative thought and try to focus in class or outside class. Other than that, luckily I met a kind lecturer who bestowed her time to help me and my friend to complete our work. She showed me a mercy when I missed an assignment deadline, giving me a second chance to complete my assignments. Besides, her kindness facilitated my adjustment to campus life. I also joined a club, and although the first event I managed was a chaotic affair, it taught me leadership and teamwork. Lastly, the challenging week taught me a lot about resilience and self-belief. Third, I faced many struggles. I learned that with support and determination, I could overcome anything. This experience gave me confidence to face future challenges with courage and hope.
Thank you, Sharina. Okay, let's look at number 1. Okay, the title, and then next time put your name and the date. Okay, so this is you just started. So this was just last month. I was away, and then be consistent with your tense. I was away from home, met new people, and needed to adjust my own schedule, and I was trying here. I was trying to be strong because I didn't want my family to worry about me. You also had the same issue with your punctuation. Yeah, punctuation. Punctuation, no space before full stops and comma. And then ini you can delete. On my second day on the campus, I began a week long orientation before regular class started. Here was still disbelieving, you changed to I still couldn't believe. Okay, I still couldn't believe. I made this one, but mentally I was struggling. Okay. I still couldn't believe I made it. Okay. I had to flee. Not to flee. I needed to address my negative thoughts. And then you use the word bestowed here. It's good that you use the word that you just learned last week. Very good. But in this context, it might not be suitable. I met a kind lecturer who gave or who shared. I had a kind lecturer who shared her time and gave me a second chance. Okay. The challenging week taught me a lot of resilience. Okay. Good.
Thank you, Doctor.
Now, whose is this? Whose is this? This untitled document. Macam tak ini je. Doesn't come out, right? Yeah. The story challenge in your... Whose is this? The person is not here. So maybe we'll just go through Faris then. Faris, you are here, right? Use not more than 200. It was, Faris, can you please read?
What? Yes.
Mm. Can you please, Faris, are you able to read?
Oh, read, okay.
Mm.
Fighting procrastinating. It was early in the morning, around 6 a.m., and my alarm was going off beside my bed. I looked at each side and hit snooze as usual. The books on my table waited for me, but I kept telling myself I'll start later. Later turned into tomorrow, and tomorrow turned into next week. I wasn't lazy because I didn't care. I was lazy because it felt easier to avoid trying. Yet every night before bed, I would feel guilty for wasting another day. One day, I looked at myself in the mirror and grew tired of making excuses. I didn't like who I was becoming, so I started small. I forced myself to get up as soon as the alarm rang, even when I didn't want to. I studied for just 20 minutes at first, then an hour. I made a rule, no phone until I finished something productive. It was tough, but I failed a few times. But I kept trying. Gradually, I noticed changes. My room looked cleaner, my mind clearer, and my confidence started to grow. Now, every time I see a sunrise, it reminds me of a fresh start. I'm still not perfect, but I'm better than I was. I learned that fighting laziness isn't about waiting to feel motivated. It's about doing the things even when you don't want to. The hardest fight was really against myself, but it's the one that changed me the most. The mic off.
Thank you, Faris. This is a very good topic on fighting procrastination. Um, okay, and then Faris, like this one, this one you should use spacing. This is where you need spacing, and then students, do you notice that when Faris write between the comma here and the full stop? Here full stop should be after the quotation mark. So that in terms of punctuation. Content okay. You are also consistent in your verb, look, started, pause, studied. Okay. Language also good, and then a great way to end now. Whenever I see the sunrise, it reminds me of a fresh start. Yeah, it's a good reflection. Yeah. Okay. So let me go to my comment. So here I reply and I can correct punctuation. Topic. Okay, so you see after a word you before the full stop, there shouldn't be any space. Consistent past tense, consistent use of past tense. Okay. So we got until Faris now. So we have time now is 9 o'clock. So we have Anik. I already replied just now kan Anik. Anik tadi I dah reply kan? Mana tadi Anik? Ya Allah. Anik tadi I dah reply lah. I tak Mak Anik punya which one lah? Kejap. Oh, sorry lain. This one. Oh, okay. The one in handwriting. Yeah. Handwriting. Okay, so this is I commented here. Spelling. Academic. I think where is this now? Ni. My academic performance in exam drop. My academic performance in examination drop because I was focusing too much on sports. What else? Tragic, not tragic, a tragic memory. It was the accident, it was a tragic memory. Okay, that's it. So the rest, I will go through the rest. But you're not here, right? Wafiq, Amirul, Dania dah. Okay, I like to draw your attention. This is not this one, this one. The course briefing again. Okay, so in terms of we haven't done, next Monday we'll be doing listening. We'll start doing listening, reading, and also reading. Have you got Reader's Digest magazine? Have I given you any magazine?
Yes.
Yeah? Please bring the Reader's Digest magazine on Monday. And next week is already week 4. Week 4, week 5, we'll week 4 and week 5 we'll be doing.
Doktor.
Yes.
Masa tu magazine tu kita pulang balik.
Oh, pulang balik. Okay, nanti next Monday I pass to you again. You did some reading, right, in the class?
Yes.
Okay. So insyaAllah next Monday we'll be doing some reading, vocabulary and also listening practice. Because your next week dah week 4. Because your assessment is week 6. So for 5 we'll do listening practice. And then maybe we have 2 hours, right? And oral assessment, pair work, assessment. Okay, so I'll just like to remind you, the first assessment this week, listening assessment will be on week 6. Okay. time now is 5 minutes past 9. Would you like to take a break or would you like to continue? Do you want to take a break or do you want to continue?
Take a break, Doctor.
Take a break, eh? We'll take a break. Let me stop. Sorry, Muhammad. I stop recording then.